ubonani ukuthi yabona manje let me just cut this thing.
Ngahlukumeza umntanami man. Yazi mina abantwana bami bangasangithathi serious. Bengina ngikhuluma nabahleke ende bahlala nabo gogo phela abantwana bami bangahlali nami. Bangangithathi serious, bebangiboni futhi njengomama wabo. Beba namahloni ngisho ukuhamba nami. Estradini ukho wabona. Banamahloni nje ngami. Yabo, maye kwaba ilinye ilanga ngifikile lapha kumama. Umntanami lo mfana wangena endlini akhala kabuhlungu kabi ungathi bamshayile lapha estradini. Hawu umama uyambuza. Lwandle yini? Lwandle asayi koko bangitelela abangani bami. Bakutelela bathini? Bathi umama uyabhema uyawuphe. Abakuthathi serious, abakufateli awubi next vele. So manje khani sengizibona umuntu. Nabo the way vele bangithatha ngakhona manje ukhawabona sengumuntu kibo. Sengumuntu.
Eyo guess lava sobise uthi ambulala vele.
Things amaspekula things omakhosha na.
Things leyo bengifuna we leave no stone unturned.
Yeah, so kuya ngokuthi mhlamba check ukuthi yenzeke kanjani nawe usibeka kanjani
uyayibona. Amajita vele ayibona ayahlukumeza bocherini kakhulu.
When you experience into njalo kunomuntu omaziyo uke experience into njalo.
Mina akazi ngi-experience. Nabangani bami basengakafikanga kubangani bami laba ebengiphila nabo mina. Basengakafikanga kuzingela njalo cause yazi simanga enye into enjani sibangani. Omunye umngane ethu ukuthi ukhe wafika kuleyo zinga lelo ne. Angeke asitshela uzosaba ukuthini ukuthi sasa thina sombheka kanjani orithina sesihleli sisodwa akekho yena sesihleba ngayo yayibo. Angeke omunye uCherry akutshele but mina kulabe ngiphila nabo akekho okhe waba nenkinga enjalo.
Yeah, because into engenza ukuthi ngibuze lokho ukuthi ngalendlela ibangayo kuba ngathi amajita kuphela is no longer GBV because GBV is gender based violence not women based violence. You understand? So you ngithi ngibuza umuntu wesimame on your side ukuthi wena how do you feel about this condition or le awareness ebazama ukuyenza ukuthi yithi amajita ehlukumezayo because khona umunye lapha yana uthi noma uhambe estradini uhlukumeza umjita amajita asaba amajita because umjita okwazi umjita yabona this thing. And to me I mean like the way it is ngibelieve ngathi at the end of the day so gcine aboCherry nama out singasazwana ngoba whatever that is going on social media if ever wena u relationship right but umuntu wakho once anga react some type of way uyocabanga ukuthi it's one of them because of into eba ku social media is around the sonke yabona noma bangathiwa mhlambe kunabo Cherry abajolayo uCherry uyajola uCherry wenzani the moment uCherry wakho uzwenza something similar to that you will think ukuthi wenza ufebe or because of something that they pushing ku social media so that's why ngibuza ukuthi mawutha experience anga it's -1 because lokho kuyangijabulisa because it seems like bonke aboCherry even though nalo engayenzakalanga next just because of. And then ngibona ngathi vele listing iyasikhawathi izokhawatha amajita naboCherry sigcine singasazwana at all. Sigcine singasazwana.
Vele.
Khona the way it is portrayed ne. Iyabeka amantombazana in a wrong position kahle. Mele bahlale basibhekile thina ukuthi we abusers.
Yes.
Thina we are rapists, thina we are killers. Yangizwisisa ne lento le njengoba uyibeka ne in 2030 years to come abantwana laba bazalwe manje boyithola lento iqiniso if iyaqhubeka njengoba isovele.
I saw my daughter profile picture people umuntu una 16.
True. Yes.
Una 16.
Ingosi yakhe ke manje uyithola lento lesi maybe seyilo.
And to be honest in relationships kuyacatshwana. Kuyacatshwana verbally emotionally sometimes iba physical. Yabona it does happen not to say ukuthi we promoting that but it does happen yabona but at some point sekuba ngathi the moment wena umuntu wakho makazothi ningazwani it seems like uzoba ngathi nango ucalile and go to find comfort somewhere else as much as njengoba abanye basho ukuthi aboCherry bafaka ama people profile pictures but kunomuntu odlela umfazi oshadile so how about that because naloko still into yenza ukuthi kube neabuse kulo muzi loyo is because of you because lo mfazi ukhuluma nale ndoda uyitshela amasimba because of ubonele your text nale ndoda yakhe indoda igcine ibeke isandla. It cannot just start anywhere. Icale because of nomfazi owenza into so. So yabona ukuthi I don't understand ukuthi why are they, but okay, it's fine. It's just let's not be on that gender based thing because I don't want to catch flames. But yeah, njengoba sochazile Jabulile when writing le it affect kangakanani le yenyawupe and gcine sekufikela kuphi ukuthi ufuna ukuyeka uyekile nje no yeah ikhawuthe kangakanani so igcine ubonani ukuthi yabona manje let me just cut this thing
hayi yabona wena sisalile ne sinabantwana mina into engihlukumeze kakhulu empilweni yami kuze namhlanje ngizithole ngekelile ngahlukumeza umntwana wami man yazi mina abantwana bami bangasangithathe serious bengina ngikhuluma nabahleke ende bahlala nabo gogo phela abantwana bami bangahlali nami
i-firstborn nangaki
i-firstborn ina 17 umfana una 14
i-second
yeah bebangangithathe serious bebangibona futhi njengomama beba namahloni ngisho ukuhamba nami estradini ukho wabona banamahloni nje ngami yabo maye kwaba ilinye ilanga ngifikile lapha kumama umntana wami lo mfana wangena endlini akhala kabuhlungu kabi ungathi bamshayile lapha estradini hawu umama uyambuza Lwandle yini Lwandle asayi koko bangitelela abangani bami bakutelela bathini bathi umama uyabhema ubhema inyawupe uyayibo ngilimaza lento ngangithinta phakathi shuthi ngathi nasengihleli ngiwani ngestadisha ngathi mosi la ku izi ukuthi abantwana bami nabo benzeni noma yini
ngenxa ya
bagcine ba give up empilweni ukuthi amosi nathi umama ethu mosi u give up ile nathi vele
nangengisolo ngihleko
uyayibona cause ngiyamstressa kakhulu futhi umntwana omfana uyabamba ke une
angagcina limaza omunye umosha kwakhe lokho the next thing I decide ukuthi
and nasesikolweni uthola ukuthi akasafundi nakahle uyahlukumezeka ukhe wabona omunye agcina yekela nesikole ukuthi akusizi nangesikoleni bangihleka
noma usaba nokuphendula kosangaphendula kube wrong because of umama wakho
uyayibona ayishingagcina ngahlala phansi indaba ngayistudisha ngathi yabona manje angeke for isekhe abantwana bami angeke ngiyalwa yabona nangobe kumele ngife ngibulale lento kumele ngife ngibulale ngazekelelo zange rehab mina mosina ngihlela lapha ekhaya ngiyekela lento abantu bebangangikhola bathi hawu namanga wena sikhohlisa maybe ebusuku na ungenela endlini uyaziminyezela ngathi hayi cabanga ngizoba surprise mina lento angisayifuni
so kwenzeka kanjani how was ama steps owathatha and nama cravings kwenzakalani
steps sokuqala angikhohle ukuqala kwami ukuthi ngiyeke first day bekuyi okay Saturday ukuyigcina kwami lento lena ngibuyo sebenza komunye umuzi ngale ngibuyo sebenza ngibuyo washa amafastero okay bangibhadala 500 ukhe wabona labangibhadala le 500 ngehle ngenzansi kaMzulu ngambe ngithenge ezi 200 ngoba mina the way bese ngistrong khona bese ngibhema ama plastic ayi2 angisho yabo ama plastic
ubusayibhema ngezolo
but bengithela 2 bengishaya F2 mina bengithela 2 straw esi1
OD
A1 bengasayizwa vele plastic bengifuna 2 hayi ngithenge ze 200 seze 200 ngikuphoye nazo ngifela ekhaya ngibhema ingangishaya cabanga zingangishayi zonke lezi zinto nibe umcemane nibe so ngangenzi next ngidai imhlolo wami ngitsek man kanti safelani ngoba lento naka ze 200 ngithenge ze 200 nako angenzeki next kwafana nokuthi ngalala ngedown lo langa leza ngiyenzeke next
akubakushaya ngembombayi
le staff ebebasiphethe vele bekuyimbombayi baba doma from le juice baba sitheka khona bekuyimbombayi vele ngoba wonke umuntu but the next day yakhona wakhala hawu ngathi yabona le 300 esele manje lengiphethe kamari ngivuye kusasa ngidawe nangobe ngiyadakwa cabanga ngasayifuna ngeke
but why in substitute ngotshwala
yazi utshwala yazini utshwala man kuyasinceda kokunye akuphinde yakusincede but kokunye kuyasiceda cause angisho bese sijayela uhlala semaplugini uhlala uplugile phela umzimba ujayela iplug so la itshwaleni kuze maybe sizinikele kakhulu so uloku sesajwayela iplug sifuna ukuhlala siseplugini
la ungabi sober
uyangithola but hayi ukuthi nabo phela every day mina nako utshwaleni every day mina like njengamkhulumele side lami ngiyaphuza ngiyabuthanda manje ne but weekend man iyadlula futhi nenye weekend ingabi nendaba nawo uyangithola weekend nje ngiziphuzele phakathi neviki hayi ngiziphushela umsebenzi yami ngisasebenza nama ngisacleanela abantu ngisayenza umsebenzi wami lo bengiwenza ngisawenza namanje yeah so vele phakathi neviki angibi nesikhathi sawo because noma kunini nangolosithathu nangolosini bangangifonela uzibani ujabulile buye nginomsebenzi so uyayibona hayi vele phakathi neviki angibunaki kakhulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho man ile plug
just look cause when I do understand because nami I don't drink that much but unokuthi ma sober you can notice things like usheshe ube ne stress into encane nje extressayo you feel like you can just take the cup and just throw it on the wall or phansi but once you shaya thunyana hayi uba mnandi
uyayibona ile black because asihluleke enkingeni ezingafani sidlule enkingeni ezingafani abanye bane stress maybe bahlukumezeka lesikhathi babhema uyabona kunezinto abadlule kuzo esingazazi yabo so umuntu nakaphuzile uzifila right angithola
manje yini into oyifundile wena Jabulile beside ama drugs into oyifundile empilweni nje generally about abantu about you condition since maqeda ukudlulela already yini into oyifundile life in
ningazi wesinye isikhathi nokubona ngithi into kahle nongayibhemanga lento le impilo ayibonanga uyazi hey kuningi so manje manje ngitshelile ngisafuna ukuphila lempilo leyo because lokho noma ngibheme yabona ngisho bona labantu engibasebenzayo bowukhona ukwasha amafastera sina ngendlu yonke 7 room or ngeke room bokunika 100 rand uzoyivuma because ufuna ukubhema uyayibona omunye awungenzeli ukuthi ubone ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uheavy akutshele ngemadlanyana encane uzoyivuma ufuna ukubhema uyangithola so lokho kungifundisile ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi abantu nawubhema abakuthathi serious abakuthathi serious
angeke vele
kuzoba uloyo naloyo uyangithola but the most bazibonela nje into okudlala ukubona noma ufike ebantwini mana abantu abakuthathi serious awusumuntu kahle nawubhema awusumuntu because ngisho nefamily yakho man uyabona noma kunomsebenzi ufikile uzabona ngetayela bakwenzela zona ngathi bakunyanya or awusesomuntu awubi serious
ungacala ukuthi uzinakise kulo phushela le masinyana
or omunye hlebelo omunye ubheka into zakho
ufila kanjani mabenza kanjani
uyayibona uyalimala ilento engitshela ukuthi uyalimala kakhulu kuba buhlungu kakhulu so ugcine vele nawo sojela ukuthi laba ngicine ngibatshontshela rehe ngoba kusiza manje babhizi bathi mina ngiyabatshontshela ekubeni angibatshontsheli uyangithola uba kuthatha ngenye indlela man uba ngenye indlela kwa ifamily yakhe ayithathi serious ifamily abantu bakini rehe abakuthathi serious abakufateli awubi next vele so manje khani sengizibona ngumuntu nabo the way vele bangithatha ngakhona manje ukhawabona sengumuntu kibo sengumuntu
so manje do you blame them for treating you ngalendlela bakutreat ngayo le chamo sankauza
no ngizoba blame ngaba blame yazwa ingeke ngiba blame is the way ebebezwa izinto ukuthi nakubeminyawo ube this and that uyabona kuba sona so la ngibablame khona laba abanye akaze bathi ngiyatshontsha endlini ngenzani okay mina umuntu ebengimosha kakhulu empilweni umamami ngazi ukuthi hayi umamami vele ngeke angibulale angeke azangenza into ebi yabona ngeke umamami noma ngathi uyongibophisa ngibizela amaphoyisa okusala kuyobuya yena futhi amaphoyisa uyayibona umuntu mina ebengimosha kakhulu umamami efamilini ngona angimosha kakhulu so benginalento leyo yokwari ukuthi mara why bangithatha so labantu ngoba angibatshontsheli angibayenzi sona why babe so kimi into engibablame ngayo ukuthi why bebangitreat so
but maybe it was a blessings in disguise because njengoba usho ukuthi nako lokho kukwenza wa realize ukuthi esanda abantu abangifateli so angizame indlela yokuchange maybe bekuma blessing in disguise ukuthi masizokutreat so it's for you to realize ukuthi hayi man lavele ngilahle intamba because kube bakutreat special bongeke ubone ukuthi kumele uyeke ubuzocabanga ukuthi hayi bangincanywa nginje asilimi
ngiyabona nawo yiko lo kwangenza ukuthi ngicine idolo necakala
so manje if ever maybe kunomuntu obukelile and ufuna ukugaya isipani so wena ungaspana any kind of job you don't mind
me I don't mind because ngiyatina konke nje ngiyayenza konke mina umsebenzi angikhethi manje
but ngoba namachita abo-Johannes let down in bane program Monday Wednesday Thursday and Friday yafuna ukuthi sometimes mhlambe ngoba bayenza ngapho ma-8 ushaya round lena hambisilanga mhlambe ungakhona nokunetworka nabanye abantu ukuthi bakuncede or something yabona so manje what can you say ebantwaneni bamanje because siyababona babo clever nani they think they know everything so what can you say to them when it comes to drugs so some drugs is something now bekungana awareness bazokhuluma ngabo so manje wena what can you tell them nabazali ebabhekana naleyo nkinga leyo ungabatshela ukuthini
mina into engayitshela abantwana manje ukuthi ngiyafisa shem ukuthi ngathi bangakhula right bakhule bangathanda izinto bangangeni kulento lento le ayisi right kakhulu because manje ngiyabona abantwana laba bakhula manje bakhona le enye bayingenile manje bathi yini le crystal yabo yazi ngwara njani ngiyawara la ngithi abantwana bube babazi ubunzima lobu ababingenayo bube abangeni cause kunzima bunzima mina into engibafisela yona ukuthi ngathi bangafunda mani bayekela ukuphika nabangani ngoba kwesinye isikhathi sibangani siyakhohlisana yabo siyakhohlisana bekela ukukhohlisana babheke emfundweni because thina sibuya kuyo le ndlela siyayazi inzima iyahlaba inameva akunabumnandi la kule ndlela yokubhema ukuthi siphikisana ngokubhema senzani ubumnandi abukho into emele bayenze nje labantwana ukuthi babhekane nemfundo imfundo ibalekile isikhiya sempilo ke leso noma ungayaphuye isikhiya sempilo idrugs angeke ikwenze nekusu lizokwenza uclever uzosibona ngathi uclever kanti udom awusuclever wena uthi hayi yaphema ngokuthi awusuclever
20 years isikhathi esivayile but mina ngokucabanga kwami it's maybe how the government want things to be because if sonke singaba successful isifunde sibe sharp at the end of the day we're going to be educated people with no job with nothing so maybe they introduce drugs so that at least abanye lizoba distract because at the end of the day asikho strong sonke khona abantu abaweak imagine ukuthi nangabe besebenza sonke besifunda ngalesikhathi besifunda ngaso emehlwane saba grand sonke how things were going to be because drugs bezinto enzima ukuthi i-government ingayilwa but it's because of it's part of the plan ye system yokuthi okay asintroduce because angeke sisebenze sonke khona bazolibhema bese baphinde balala estradini sababone ematown ababasusi why is that it's because of allowile le drugs to do the damage izokwenza i-damage control ukuthi silawuleke population that's how I see things
hayi mara mina ngiyafisa shem ukuthi hayi ngathi bangangeneli shem hayi
yabona vele mele bangangeni so liyabheda
yabona umuzi ongakangenanga le demon leli ku hayi ngiyawuhalalisela shem ngithi ngathi kungabanjalo vele for good because idemoni reg idemoni yo alsi right shem alsi right
Johnny's I don't know question nifuna ukubuza sisters
yes mina sisters ngikhalele ukwazi ukuthi ubheme how long yabo i-addiction ubheme how long yabo and then if uyakhumbula precisely sisters ngiyacela share the first experience vele ukuthi the first day yashama two vele izolingena la nje emqondweni waziza kanjani and then did she come to the decision yokuthi avele lento ngizoyibhema and what were the reasons behind yabo the day you decide or now the day ubona ukuthi mara lento ilento yenza so yenza kubani babe kanje kanje and then mina ngizoyibhema like ngikhalela ukwazi lapho nje ukuthi how did you wasitshela ukuthi uzoyihandlela or wasitshela ukuthi kuzoyenzakala nje if you go
mina butshwane sina 12 years ngibhema ne last year nangiyekela la ngenza 13 years so sina nasicala ukuyibhema lento le ikhumbulani kahle bengaba bangamani nabantu abafaila sona besingazi ukuthi lenti u end up so na ubhema lento le hayi man boy everyday besibhema istroy si1 si7 or si6 sishayisana neta mathuphulu dawe vele uyangithola ingasiso uthi nawuthatha uyibhema man si clean man umuntu oyibhema lento bengeke umbone that time thina sicala ukuyibhema lento le bongeke ubone so that's why sagcina sigangela kakhulu ukuthi hayi shothi ayinabungozi uyangithola
talent
yeah uyangbo ayinabungozi lento nethi ube grand ube namasento yakho uhlangane uyangithola hawu kanti into hayi yes iza no demet iza no shit inyoka uyangithola thina sibhemele into hayi nakhisa ngiyakutshela sese yini too scave sabhemisana ngathuthu
but gentleman's case
yeah sabhemisana ngathuthu man singene lapha eroomini yakho sohlalela istroy si1 si7 or si6 so bhema leso stroy and so sidaka sonke uyangithola senze ukuthi after kukhuphuka ke lapho kulana ke zilabe sesibagrade khona ukuthi ngifune yami new one manje uyayibona sengasashayi njengaleya leyokuqala leya
isa before siceda ngithanda ukuthi congratulations
yes
I know the difficulties obhekene now even manje so yabo I know even the challenges obhekene now even manje as a recovering addict yabo but nami as a recovering addict ngithanda ukuthi pick up njengoba uVolvo seka-invite so lapha enzansi nePola Mduku uyashisa nutritional program sihlangana nama-out vele every Monday, Wednesday and Fridays vele sizama ukuthola ama-solutions sinebelieve ukuthi masisonke siloko sibhekisana khona ukwenza more impact
yes
so nama extending the invitation vele plus i-desk labo ladies likhona linda abantu abafana
sikhona dog
okunye for coming up lana sharing your story no Wolf ne ngingamenzi umsebenzi wakhe but mina as a recovering addict I know what it takes salute je kakhulu ngithi salute vele ngithi salute ngithi mina sibambane nesithubekeni siboneni ukuthi as a recovering addict you cannot create something kusasa ezosho ukuthi abona bebabhema mara nayi lento lebayenzi
thanks
so injalo wena Jebs siyabonga mfethu ukuthi
hayi nami ngiyabonga kakhulu
and okunye mfethu njengoba ishilo ubhuti siyabonga ukuthi ukhonile ukuyeka khona abantu ozoba inspire abahleli phansi babukele le show hopefully nabazali ebafisayo ukuthi they can lay a hand ujabule ukhona usephola ngizokhona ukuthi nangabe khona nikudingayo or mhlambe something you can just ukhulume kuma comment section so that I can be able to grab that ngidlulisele kuye sibona ukuthi kuzoba njani. Sure guys, I hope you were able to reach this stage of an episode njengoba usister ujabulile alibekile udaba lakhe so bafethu ngiyacela whoever who can be able to reach or maybe to lay a hand akwazi ukuthi asize my sister or everyone oba la kule podcast ungakhona ukuthi umncede bafethu ngiyacela because usister yazikhulumela ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuzisebenzela ngezandla zami ngiyakhona ukwenza everything and into engichaza kakhulu is because of uthi ufuna ukuchintsha for abantwana bakhe because as umzali you need to check what is it that you do whether you ahamba ebusuku uyaphuza in at the end of the day so affect abantwana bakho because nabo baphila nabantwana babo abazali babo ebasharp so they brag about their parents so whatever that you do you need to think of your child you need to think of isithunzi sakho for that matter ngithola so bafethu ngiyabonga ukuthi nikhonile ukubukela nizonifikela kule stage hopefully you did really enjoy this episode. This is Wolf 925 signing out. I almost forgot. Next week shy episode 100 episode in fact today kilometer stone not the milestone sibonga whoever who were able to watch my episode wethu beka supporta namanje abasasupportayo nalabo futhi abakhonile ukusubscribe to pay at least 20 rand ngenyanga. We thank you very much mfethu. So the episode after this episode is going to be about asking me ukuthi how was the journey from episode 1 to episode 100 because it was never easy. So if ever you want to catch ukuthi kwenzakalani ama ups and downs, breakdowns, please catch me next week. Ngizobe ngiphethe uJwanis uzoba hoya ama question ngezinto ezibhani ngifuna ukuzizwa nangabe nani nikhona nifuna ukukwazi comment section. This is Wolf 925 signing out. You know we're doing it like we're doing it 4 TV, the podcast that other podcasters watch. Sayiphethe lena. We out.
Yes.
Pushing your palm, you're pushing your palm, you're pulling your vibe.